Nice one, cool dudes. I am here in the City of Dreams, aka Sandown High Street, about to embark on a 13.64 mile, that's my bus, by bus, trip from Sandown to Cowes along the cycle path. Could anything be more exciting? Possibly, but only time will tell. Alright, it's time to get going. Good luck everyone, especially me. Here is something I've never seen before. A wine ambulance. I wonder what the wine ambulance siren sounds like. I love you. I blooming love you. Someone likes lions. You could always start the walk here at Sandown Station if you fancied. Excellent. Over there is Sandown High School, now called Sandown Bay Academy. During our maths classes, me and my friends Tim and John once played a game called Speed, where you had to see how many of those graffiti-like drawings you could do in a minute. A slight detour to the local rugby club car park. It turns out, cool dudes, that the special guest was on time and I was waiting in the wrong car park. Can you guess who the guest is? You've probably seen her in the photos. Yes, it's... Oh, what a reveal. What a reveal. Why Put that back, like a good Samaritan. Why have you chosen this walk, please?
Is this accessible for all? Did I just put mud on my face?
Yeah, I hope so. It's accessible for all.
Yes, there we go.
All right. I've already been doing the walk for a mile, but you probably want to say this anyway. Good luck, everyone, especially us. Did a good one that time. Please introduce this bit.
We are on the Red Squirrel Trail.
This goes going all the way to Cowes. A duck.
Yeah, cute.
This walk is quite a boring walk, possibly, but it's about to get more exciting because it's time for question of the day.
Yeah.
Rowan, please, the question of the day.
All right, you're in a spaceship, you're going to space, and you can only take 5 CDs, or records, tapes, if you will.
Hang on, the spaceship hasn't got the capacity to hold more than 5 CDs or MP3 players and things like that, even though it's able to go to space. They're still saying, do you not take some CDs with you?
Which 5 would you take with you?
5 CDs.
I'll go first.
In my ancient spaceship. So it can be complete works of an artist.
Complete, yeah, of course. You can have all of them.
Right, on the CD, big bumper CD.
On the bumpers. Right, I'm going to take with me Nick Kershaw.
Wow.
Yep. The Feeling.
Oh.
Love 12 Stops and Home, deluxe version, holy moly.
Yeah.
London Grammar.
Oh, pretty cool.
McFly. And then this last place could be, it's a bit controversial, I'm taking Cilla Black with me, guys.
Yeah. That is, some might say eclectic, politely. These are my choices for my CDs on the spaceship. Number one obvious choice is the Beatles. Then I think you need some variety. So I would have classical music, probably Bach is my favourite. Then LCD sound system. Then I go for some jazz, Chet Baker probably. And the final one, maybe for nostalgia, I would go for one of my first favourites, Def Leppard. Nice one. Here is the lunch stop. Sausage sandwich on brown bread. 1.5 sausages per sandwich with ketchup and tomato relish. Some bites. Saurine malt loaf. Apple. Water over there. Yes, strawberry laces. One for Rowan. Take me through this, please.
Gherkins.
What's in that weird stuff?
These are cheese salads and mayonnaise wraps. What? Hula hoops, plain.
Gross.
I've got you these.
Yes.
You're going to love them.
Great. That is it.
And some water, some H2O. Stay hydrated, kids.
Nice one. This looks like a peaceful path, but alas, it was the site of a horrific massacre. And the perpetrator of the massacre is standing beside me. Please elaborate.
Well, I walked this path, as I have done many times, and it was a lovely day, and it was like all of the frogs in all of the world came out. Teeny tiny frogs all over the path, and you could not walk for frogs. The worry was, folks, you couldn't take a step without treading on a tiny frog.
How many frogs did you kill?
I think none, because I was really, really kind.
Oh, that's really
But
nice.
they were everywhere, and I think, yeah, maybe I killed a few.
Sacre bleu.
You'll turn into a burger for all of
You'll
these
get a
burgers.
burger in your head in a minute if you don't carry on giving me this all your life. Nice views. What do you think of the walk so far, cool dude?
It's pleasant, but it's rather the same.
I'll translate that into normal person speak. It's boring. Rowan just pointed out that that man over there is doing a much nicer walk down by the river. Thanks for the boring walk, Rowan. This is the end of the Red Squirrel Trail. We are here on the map, but we are carrying on to the floating bridge to get the bus back to Sandown. Nice one, cool dudes. Walk complete. That was 14.71 miles, 6 hours and 10 minutes. How many rounds would you give the walk?
How many is it out of?
5.
3.5.
3.5 for possibly the most boring walk in history.
Second half was lovely, from Newport onwards, really pleasant and beautiful. First half, just a little bit, wasn't it?
If you like walking in a straight line on an endless path, that walk is for you. Maybe that's why it's called a cycle path. If you enjoyed that video, what could you do? You could join the Cool Dudes Walking Club, and you could do this by going to here on the YouTube channel and choosing one of these tiers. What do I get in return? You get to use these emojis, you get to watch all these incredible videos, and you get to be entered into the prize draw. That sounds good, right?
So good. You would be a fool not to be on that channel subscribe list.
All right, okay, that's it. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool.
The camera's in okay.
There we go. Ah, yes, what a straight walk. And I probably made myself look a bit grumpier in the edit than I was in real life. If anything, I'm the cheerful one and Rowan's the grumpy one. Anyway, you're probably thinking, how can I get this delightful picture of the 3 sheep in the field? You can bid for it on eBay. The starting price is £7.03 for this original watercolour. Who could ask for more? Right, cool dudes. What is new? Well, I'm doing a monthly vlog on my other channel and working on some comedy films to do on there. So please have a look at that. Also, I've made some Easter keyrings which should be available on the website now, and one of them is in the prize draw for this week. Oh yes. Currently there are 494 of you splendid people who support me on my mission to become a YouTuber, and you are all entered into the prize draw, which is for this beautiful fox chain made by Marmu, an Isle of Wight jewellery maker. Oh, very nice. The strawberry laces, a rabbit keyring for Easter, a card from Quor Abbey, one of my postcards I drew, a ghost hunter badge, the stickers, the badges, a keyring from Cow's Laser. It's time to say, random number generator, generate me a number. Generate 7. The 7th longest serving YouTube member at a massive 39 months is the very kind Aquarius Cycling Adventures. So this stuff will be on its way to you. Please continue to send me your keyring pictures to the gallery. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a nice day. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool.